Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the new and upgraded dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P. This fantastic dash cam comes with a free 64GB South Dakota card and built-in Wi-Fi, making it the perfect addition to any car. With its 2K+1080P front and rear dual dash cam, you'll be able to capture crystal clear footage of the road ahead and behind you. The 4K Ultra HD 2160p single front car camera ensures that every detail is captured, day or night, with its advanced GC CMOS and wide-angle lens. What's more, this dash cam also comes with 24-hour parking monitor and super night vision, giving you peace of mind and excellent footage in all situations. The seamless loop recording and G-sensor technology also means that you'll never miss a moment, and with support for up to 256GB micro South Dakota cards, you'll have plenty of storage space. Not only that, but this dash cam is compact and super easy to install and comes with a 12-month warranty and worry-free customer care. So why wait? Upgrade your car today with the dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P. Check the link in the description to get yours now.